Well, ARM has big ambitions in the real estate space. We view it as one of the fastest growing areas in Nigeria, and we feel it's important as an asset management firm to give our clients an exposure to that asset class. We have a number of projects also in the pipeline, and we only just started a similar project to Lakaway in Port Harcourt. That's also a golf estate that sits on about 200 hectares. That I think is very exciting because it allows us do things a bit differently from how we did Lakaway and experiment a bit more, given the track record and given the experience that we've built with Lakaway. When I joined the firm, we were probably a team of, I think my ID card had number 35 on it, so give or take one or two people, we were probably a team of less than 30 people. Now it's grown to a team of in the hundreds. That's a big shift in the scope of ARM's operations. And you're spending, what, 16, 17 years there, it sort of creeps up on you, and you actually don't pay much attention to those shifts. It's just business as usual. We're doing new things, pushing new boundaries, etc. But I think for me, the biggest part of it, or the part I've enjoyed the most working with ARM is the fact that I think our ambitions are limitless. We're always looking for new opportunities, always pushing the envelope, always looking for new ways to do things, looking for new ways that we can serve our clients and broaden the scope of their investments with us. That for a young person growing up and learning, I think it's probably the best way to learn. As a firm, we're also very willing to hand over responsibilities to young people, and we're not afraid to make mistakes, because people will always make mistakes. It's what you learn from those mistakes, I think, is critical. So I think for me, ARM has been a wonderful experience, and I'm not sure I'll do it any other way.
We tend to view investments different from our lives, I mean the rest of our lives, daily lives. The way I put it is, if there is a sale, if you see a sale 75% off, you tend to enter to buy that service or good or whatever. But if there is a fire sale on the stock market, the reaction is to run away from it. But it shouldn't be. It's the same thing. When there is a fire sale, what it means is go in and buy. So a temporary correction in the market means it's similar to saying 75% off. Rather than run away from it, the idea is to look at what to buy at that point in time, rather than view that the market decline as something that is horrible. You should look at it as an opportunity to rebalance your investments, such that when that phase has passed, you're in a better position rather than where you were previously.
The possibilities, the opportunities we see in Nigeria, the things we could do, I think for me was the moment in the history of, there are so many other things that, but I think for me that stood out, because we were also saying to people that we see beyond the ordinary and that we could make things happen. And if we look across our businesses, we've done things that people thought couldn't be done in Nigeria. We're stuck with it. A small army, but we've done these things, and we've enjoyed it.